back again, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the Instant Mani Xpress tips safe and easy. We love cute nails around here, but we also love healthy natural nails. The first step into removing the Instant Mani Xpress tips is filing the surface of the nail. We're just removing the shine and a bit of the bulk. There's no need to go harsh here. Take your time and be careful of the skin around the nails. Once the shine and the bulk has been removed, we're then going to go in and take down the length on the nail. This allows the remover to get exactly where it needs to be once it's applied. Make sure to use your dust brush to dust away any of the debris and dust that was left on the nail. And now it's time for the magic. Apply the instant remover to each nail, but be very careful not to touch the skin. If you do, it can cause a little burning or irritation. Now we wait 10 minutes and you'll see exactly why it's called the instant remover. It's given melt away realness. Look at all of that melting away. After 10 minutes, grab a cotton pad and gently wipe the product away. It should come off like a dream. Now you want to go in and gently file over your natural nail with a 240 grit side to remove any leftover bits. Be gentle, your nails deserve the look. Don't forget to neaten your free edge up, remove any of the dust and apply the Beauty Empire's pineapple cuticle oil to hydrate and nourish those nails. Look at those healthy and hydrated nails. Always make sure to remove your nails correctly.